My name is Steve Treiber. I'm a sessional lecturer in the Faculty of Engineering, teaching graduate students how to start companies. At this year's workshop, I'm going to be presenting my teaching in person and online simultaneously from the classroom. Well, I used to love running, and now I'm a little more too creaky to run as much as I'd like to do, but that's my way of letting off steam. The help that I've gotten from ETO and Tech2U and LSM has been phenomenal. When you're doing it by yourself, it's still a real challenge, But now I see it was worth going through all of that effort, and I'm looking forward to continuing to teach for at least another 10 years.